In this Prome AI, we will dive into its features, test its ability, and see if it lives up to the hype. So we explore if it can turn your world into a stunning visual. We're ready to find out if this AI generator is worth your time and money. So let's get started with the simple prompt. So talking about Prome AI. What is Prome AI? Prome AI is an incredible AI tool that helps you make a fantastic art. It's like having a magic artist at your fingertips. You can use it as an AI image generator. If you want to turn a simple sketch into a realistic picture, Prome AI can do that. It's excellent for sketching, rendering, and making your drawing look super polished. And here is the key or top benefit of this AI website called Prome. So Prome AI create a stunning visual easily. They also they offer a user-friendly interface, and it sketches into realistic image with a quickly generated impressive design and a controllable design process. It also offer a image generation and image editing with a 3D model creation and a text effect with a Prome AI excellent design tools with a creative process burst with key features for various styles. It also has the features that help you create a different styles like anime. So that's it. So talking about the pricing list for this, the Prome AI offer a free trial with a different pricing plan to fit your needs. So if you want more breakdown about their pricing list, you can just simply refer back to their website, but they offer free pricing plan on for their budget. They have the basic, the standard, and the pro. So if you want the basic, you just go yourself. You can get it at the rate of $16 to $20 per month with about 500 coin per month. Then if it's standard, you can pay 26 29 to 35 with 2000 coin per month. And then if you want to register for pro, just prepare 59 to 35 dollar per 6,000 monthly coin. So talking about the pros and cons about this powerful website. So talking about the pros, it is very easy to use with a very good interface, generating a high quality image, and also offer a free plan and a versatile for various art style and also fast image generation. And here's the downside: the free plan has a limitation. That's a very high limitation. So if you want a good AI tools, you have to subscribe. So some features requires a subscription, and AI art can lack originality. And that's it. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think about this AI website.